This is a must-have kitchen gadget, and this is by Link Chef, and it's a food chopper as well as a mini food processor too. And look how nice this is. This has a stainless steel bowl which will hold 5 cups, and it also is see-through lid right here so you can see how well it's chopped, and it is so simple to use with a push of a button. Simple as that. Now, let me open it up so you can see what it looks like. And this is where the motor is. And this is the see-through lid. And this is the blades. Now, what I like about this, it has 4 blades. It has this blade here on the bottom, which is straight edge, and these 2 blades are at an angle. Perfect. And this is what the stainless steel bowl looks like. And also the bottom has a non-skid holder. Perfect. Now let me put all this back in and let's put it in action. Here's a close-up of what the bowl looks like. It also has these 2 handles on either side. And look how sharp these blades are. You get 2 blades here at the bottom at a 90-degree angle, and then these are at a 45-degree angle. So you're going to get 4 blades chopping all your food. And it's very easy to just put that in right here. And this is what the top looks like. Also has a silicone ring right here. And it places easily right on top. And then you just put the motor right on top of there. This chopper is awesome. And it can chop veggies such as cabbage, onions, also garlic too, bell peppers, carrots, and so much more. Also for nuts like almonds and walnuts, and also meat like chicken, pork, beef, and how awesome is that? So let me show you how easy it is to work. All you have to do is cut up some vegetables and then put them in. Right now we're going to be doing onions, and this is what it looks like. And then you're going to put the lid on. And one of my pet peeves is cutting up onions because it always makes my eyes water. So all you have to do is put this on, and then it goes into place. Once it's locked into place, all you have to do is push it. Now, I could determine how long I want to push by just looking at the fineness of the onions. So let's go. Perfect. And depending on how long you want to cut it, it could be, chopped or minced. And here it goes. So this is what the onions now look like. How simple was that? Perfect for my next recipe. So now let's put this in here. And it's also so easy to clean. Look how nicely chopped it made these onions. Perfect. And now let's do some cabbage. So I've rinsed this out, and it's up to you depending on what kind of ingredients you're going to be putting in there, because if the food requires it to be in the same recipe, you don't have to really rinse it out between. So here's some cabbage, and this is what it looks like. Now we're going to put the lid on and chop this as well. Here it goes. So quick and simple. And that's because of the beautiful steel blades that it has. Because of the multi-blades, it just chops it up so quickly. Normal food processors usually just have 1 blade. So having that extra blade really makes this perfect. And it really cut it so fine. This would be perfect for cabbage for your next coleslaw recipe. You can put your carrots in here, plus your cabbage. And look at how perfect that cabbage is. Love it. And now we're going to shred some chicken. And this is going to be so perfect. You just chop it up into a bit smaller pieces. And then we're going to put the lid on top again. And then replace the motor. And now we just push the button. You see that? And just like that, it shredded our chicken. Beautiful. Look how perfectly it shredded our cooked chicken. Now it's almost time for me to make some enchiladas. This works fantastic, right? Now I'm almost ready for my enchiladas, but I also wanted to show you how well it will chop up nuts too, such as almonds, cashews, walnuts, and so much more. So let's put the lid back on and let's hit the button. Okay, and depending on how much you want it chopped up, you're always welcome to look at it and then push the button again. And this just did an awesome job. So let me take this out. Look at how perfect these almonds came out. I absolutely love this Link Chef mini chopper. It is just one of those kitchen must-have gadgets, and I just love it. And it's also so compact too. It only measures approximately 9.5 inches, so it can easily fit in your kitchen cabinets when not in use. And it also looks really nice and stylish too if you want to just leave it out on your countertop as well. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.